Now that winter's over, you're ready to get this thing back up and running. Here's how to repressurize your pressure vacuum breaker. Dwayne Smith here, your sprinkler warehouse product specialist. Let's repressurize your backflow. To begin, make sure that this upper ball valve is at a 45-degree angle, and the test cocks right here should be open, which means that the groove is parallel to the direction of the test cock. In this case, both test cocks are horizontal, so the grooves are horizontal. But there are backflows that have vertical test cocks like this one. So in this case, this vertical test cock, the groove would be vertical, and this one, of course, would be horizontal. If you weren't able to locate the shutoff valve for your system, you may have left this bottom ball valve horizontal like this. So begin by locating the shutoff valve to your system. It may be near your water main, near where the water enters your home, or it could be a ball valve installed in the upright pipe headed up into your backflow here, possibly near the backflow in a small valve box. So slowly open the shutoff valve. Now, if this lower ball valve is partially open, then water is going to start flowing out of these test cocks. If the lower ball valve is closed like this, slowly open it to a 45-degree angle. And all that was normal operation. Water will come out of the bell, and you've got water flowing out of the test cocks. So we're allowing any air in the pipes to exit the system, and now we're going to close the test cocks. Now, by the way, these are ball valves. They're not screws, so you don't tighten them. You just turn them perpendicular to the direction of the test cock. Slowly open the ball valve all the way. Now at this point, a little water may come out of the bell, and that's fine. That's working properly. Now if water comes gushing out of the bell and doesn't stop, you're going to need to replace your bonnet and your poppet, maybe your check valve. So check out our repair videos to see how to do that. If everything's okay here, then we're going to slowly open this top ball valve all the way. And your system is now repressurized. It's a good time to fire up the system, make sure all your heads are coming up, and to check to make sure that you don't have any breaks in your lines. Hope this was helpful. Questions? Chat with one of our incredible customer service agents on sprinklerwarehouse.com. They really do know their stuff, and they'll get you squared away. Get everything you need for that next landscape project from one of the proud members of the Heritage Landscape Supply Group. Your success is our heritage. Sprinkler Warehouse, America's most shopped sprinkler store. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for helpful tips, tutorials, and general sprinkler instruction.